The potential energy exists on the top of the hill with the skier before he goes downhill. As soon as the skier goes down, the energy is mostly converted into kinetic energy. The kinetic energy exists as the skier is in motion, going down the hill. The skier gains speed by converting gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy of motion. So the more a skier descends down a hill, the faster he goes. The skier begins at an elevated position with a lot of potential energy. As the skier goes downhill, potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. This is one energy transformation. Second, as the skier has kinetic energy due to going downhill, it soon turns into sound energy. The reason why is because the skis are pushing against the snow. Finally, as the skier is going downhill, the skis are causing friction to the snow, causing heat energy. As the skier starts going down the hill of the mountain, positive acceleration increases, gaining more and more speed. As you can see, force of gravity is pulling the skier down the slope. Second, applied force, which occurs on the slope when the skier is putting force on the skis and poles. Third, friction force is occurring as the skier makes an effort to go down the hill. As you can see, the skier is on top of the hill staying still. The skier will not move unless the skier, an object, or someone else applies force, forcing the skier to go into motion. This is Newton's first law. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. As you can see in the video, there are two skiers with one with more mass than the other. The skier with the greater mass will go down the hill much quicker than the other skier. This is Newton's second law.
Well, not until you got towards the top.
The third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. In slalom races, a skier would hit the gates, getting them out of their way, which you are seeing in this clip. After the skier slants into the gate goes into the snow and then comes back up to its original position it already has been in. Here are some more forces when skiing. First, spring force. It is occurring because the skier is pushing off the mountain. Second, wind resistance is occurring when the skier is going down the hill because the wind is pushing against them. In this clip, the skier changes direction, which is the change of velocity. Also, the skier is gaining speed as he is going down the hill. Velocity is speed with direction. As the skier goes down, the gravity is forcing you to go down. Oops! What happened? Let's think of it this way. What if we had no gravity, but only levity? Then we would go up.